So I'm here at the park, giving you sights and sounds of Botswana. Of course, this is how it looks like during festive season. Everywhere seems to be busy. A lot of buying and selling. The rank is always very busy. You see people traveling, and there's a whole lot of activities going on here. So just have a look and see how it looks like during festive season right here in Gaborone, Botswana. This is Apostle Part, Graceful TV. So I'm trying to give you a glimpse of how it looks like here. The park, we call it here, we call it bus rank. Yeah, the bus rank where people gather when they want to travel. So you can see some people are even alighting from different villages. Some are going and some are coming back. So that is how it is. Botswana is a very peaceful and quiet city.